Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you cleaning vocabulary in English with the correct pronunciation. Broom, broom. Dustpan, dustpan. Dustbin, dustbin. Coconut broom, coconut broom. Mop, mop. Rubber gloves, rubber gloves. Sponge, sponge. Trash can, trash can. Garbage bag, garbage bag. Toilet brush, toilet brush. Toilet cleaner, toilet cleaner. Steel wool, steel wool. Dishwashing liquid, dishwashing liquid. Bottle brush, bottle brush. Bucket or pail, bucket, pail. Plastic tub, plastic tub. Plastic mug, plastic mug. Laundry detergent, laundry detergent. Feather duster, feather duster. Scrub brush, scrub brush. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.